Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Harmony price prediction in Harmony news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Harmony in 2022. Harmony is a blockchain platform designed to facilitate the creation and use of decentralized applications, dApps. The network aims to take an innovative approach to running decentralized applications and focuses on random state sharding, which allows new blocks to be created in seconds. Stephen C. is the founder and CEO of Harmony. He holds a PhD from the University of Pennsylvania in cryptographic protocols and type theory. Upon graduation, C. became a research intern at Microsoft. In 2006, he began working as a senior engineer at Google and has been with the company for 4 years. In 2011, he founded Spotster, a successful search engine that was later acquired by Apple. In 2014, C. became Apple's chief engineer. He founded Harmony in 2017. The founding team of Harmony is made up of 12 people, 7 of whom are ex-Google, Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon employees. For their native token. Equilibrium won the most recent parachain slot with over 610,000 DOT and 1,685 contributors. Unique Network is positioning its project for the next parachain with over 524,000 DOT contributed from 2,271 contributors. Each parachain brings unique functionality and use cases to the ecosystem. Layer by layer issue 26. Solana, Near, and Polkadot quick take. In this weekly series, we dive into some of the most interesting data and developments across the Layer 1 blockchain landscape. From DeFi and bridges to network activity and funding, new cross-chain protocols continue to emerge, spurred on by persistent demand for interoperability and shared liquidity between chains. Unified strategies between L1s, bridges, and DeFi protocols are proving to be effective at streamlining user adoption. This week, we take a look at Solana, Near, and Polkadot. Preventing misuse. Such models are likely to become much more prevalent in fundraising well beyond the current Ukraine crisis. With Ukrainian financial institutions limiting customer access to their finances, crypto is one of the surest ways for ordinary Ukrainians to access their money without fear of frozen accounts. This is essential for those who need access to cash immediately, whether to purchase necessities or to secure access to personal funds before fleeing the country. If someone is suffering the insurmountable effects of war, downloading a MetaMask wallet might not be the first thing that occurs to them, especially if they haven't used crypto before. Nevertheless, Ukraine ranks fourth on the global list of countries that have already adopted crypto, meaning a significant number of Ukrainian citizens at least have the option to utilize this alternative finance method in order to survive. While access might not be expansive, the option is potentially life-saving for those who have it. The other edge of the sword: multiple Russian banks have been disconnected from SWIFT, the global messaging system connecting financial institutions. While this sanction cuts off affected banks from the global economy, it also impacts individuals domestically by disrupting transactions made on any card issued by major credit card networks like Visa, MasterCard, or American Express. With only 20 to 25% of domestic transactions and messaging existing outside of SWIFT, Russian citizens appropriately flock to ATMs, withdrawing a total of almost 3 trillion rubles, or $23 billion at the time of writing. $80 million in Ethereum assets. The success of Astar to date is also attributed to the quality of the dApps being built on top of the blockchain. Astar Network already has 40 dApps on its network, including some DeFi protocols that have already amassed huge popularity in the Polkadot ecosystem. Partners in high places. Interestingly, one of the world's leading tech giants, Microsoft, has recently partnered up with Astar to assist them with their incubation program. Microsoft has agreed to assist chosen businesses from the Astar incubation program with marketing support and mentorship. All approved projects will get exclusive access to the Microsoft for Startups Founders Hub, bringing the two technology companies closer together. Parachains bring recognition. Astar Network has capitalized on its parachain slot, using every opportunity to advance its features, developer community, and partnerships. Polkadot's technical advancements paired with the flexibility of Substrate has attracted the second largest developer community. Now that parachains are live, it is time to showcase the developers' capabilities to the world. When projects participate in a crowdfund for a parachain slot, they often gather the support of their communities in exchange for 13 cents since. Over the last week, it dropped by 6.7%. The immediate support level at 13 cents has been retested twice over the last week. During press time, one was trading at 14 cents, gaining 0.51% over the previous day. The RSI at 42.50 recovered from the oversold area over a few hours, due to a momentary spurt in buying strength. However, the CMF was still under the zero line, thus indicating an overall bearish directional momentum. Failure to maintain the buying strength might move the coin even lower on the price chart. And NGOs, amounting to $108 million. And, thanks to the transparency of blockchain, we're now able to better track how these donations are being spent than we would have just 15 years ago. Ukraine has already spent $15 million of the amount raised on military equipment. The speed and ease with which more traditional donation platforms like GoFundMe and Fundly transfer money from donor to recipient pale compared with crypto donations. While conventional fundraising options can take up to 5 days to process wire transfers, crypto transactions are instantaneous. Even Bitcoin's notoriously slow transaction speed, up to 6 minutes, puts older methods to shame. Indeed, the initiatives to assist Ukraine are only the most recent and perhaps publicly mainstream iterations of blockchain's potential to transform fundraising. Projects like Seed and leverage a smart contract escrow model to ensure that funds are only accessed. The exchange's aggressive marketing splurge over the past year has raised many eyebrows, given the company, unlike many other crypto unicorns, hasn't raised much capital from investors. Crypto.com's marketing budget, which includes millions being spent on celebrity endorsements, buying of arenas and much more, have been a topic of discussion on the internet for a long time. However, the sudden change in its lending policy has only made the theory more prominent. Crypto lending products have been under regulatory scanner for over a year now, with several crypto firms getting a security violation notice from respective state regulators. Gemini and Celsius offered lending products that came under U.S. Securities and Exchange (SEC) investigation in January, while BlockFi was slapped with a $100 million penalty for offering unregistered crypto lending products in February. The next news: EngineCoin, Harmony Coin, IOTA price analysis, 05 March. Despite recovering from the turmoil of the Ukraine conflict, the bears seem to be influencing the market. The likes of Engine, Harmony, and IOTA give similar indications. Eng followed a downtrend since mid-February as the strength index hit rock bottom. The crisis in Ukraine was a potent factor behind the rapid sell-off. However, Eng gained critical support at the $1.19 level on 24 February. Today we will discuss the Harmony price prediction for 2022, 2025 and 2030 based on the following concept. The cryptocurrency exchange rate is one of the most important factors to consider. Harmony Course Forecast 2022. One has huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Harmony, the price could rise much higher. By 2022, it may reach a maximum value of 21 cents. One is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2022 could end with an average price of 18 cents, a minimum price of 17 cents, and a maximum price of 21 cents. One rate prediction 2023. An impeccable approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Harmony will remain at the current level for a very long time. By 2023, one is expected to peak at 30 cents. The minimum bet could go up to $0.25 if the market turns bullish. Harmony price prediction 2024. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Harmony